To create a trading platform like Merrill Edge, start by defining your target audience and the features they require. Identify the type of trading platform you want to build, such as a web-based or mobile application. Determine the markets and financial instruments you will offer, including stocks, options, and mutual funds. Next, choose a programming language and development framework, such as Java or Python, to build the platform. Ensure the platform is user-friendly and provides real-time market data and news feeds. Implement robust security measures to protect user accounts and transactions. Design a user interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate, with features such as account management, trading tools, and portfolio tracking. Develop a mobile application to allow users to trade on the go. Integrate with reputable data providers to offer accurate and up-to-date market information. Implement risk management tools, such as stop-loss orders and position sizing, to help users manage their investments. Develop a system for processing trades, including order execution and confirmation. Ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, such as Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering rules. Test the platform thoroughly to ensure it is stable and functions as expected. Conduct user testing to gather feedback and make improvements. Launch the platform and provide ongoing support and maintenance to ensure it remains competitive and secure. To differentiate your platform from others, consider offering unique features, such as personalized investment advice or social trading tools. Stay up to date with industry trends and regulatory changes to ensure your platform remains compliant and competitive. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive and user-friendly trading platform like Merrill Edge.